Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Jewlybox. This is a monthly jewelry subscription. Each package contains your choice of metal, silver, gold, or a surprise mix. 3 pieces in each package. It is just $19.99. I do think I still have a coupon code for you guys. I've got to double check, and if I do, I'll put it down below. I usually have one to share in case you do decide to sign up. I do like this one. They actually named a piece of jewelry after me. All right, so anyway, I will also link down below to Jewlybox, of course. I will also link to my full review where we will go in depth and all that good stuff. And, you know, let's just go and let's just have a little look-see. Have a little look-see doodle. I ate some candy. I probably shouldn't have, but I did. All right. So, everything comes in this beautiful little white pouch. Ashley, hope you love it. Your followers can get 10% off with the discount code NOTATREE, all caps. So there it is. All right, let's see what's in here. Everything comes like this. Ooh, I broke my nail, like ripped it off into the side, and it hurts. All right, let's see. I did see a couple spoilers because, I mean, there's only so much I can keep my eyes from looking at. I'm just being honest. All right. So first up, we have this gorgeous bracelet. Look at this. I love the noise. Usually, bracelets that make this noise are charm bracelets, and I don't like charm bracelets. This is just a simple, I don't know if I can actually get it on myself, but I want to show you guys how pretty. Oh, I love this. This is like probably a new favorite, and it's just simple. You could wear it with anything you want, and it is in my favorite silver. I think for them I did say silver. I don't remember now though. Sometimes I say a surprise so you guys don't think like, oh, they just send you a bunch of silver stuff, but I do personally prefer silver. If you watch my channel for any length of time, you know that. All right, then there's this. This is so beautiful. All right, so this is like this pretty, oh baby, there we go. Yes, look at how simple. Oops. So it's meant to like wrap, like layer it. So that is, hold on. Oh, I don't even think I'm gonna take this off. This is gorgeous. Look, isn't it so pretty? Simple, just a nice way to like add a pop of like shine and like glam to your outfit. Super cool. I love that. And just simple too though. It's not like dramatic, it's not over the top. It doesn't feel like it's trying too hard, you know what I'm saying? All right, so let's move on to our final item. This is, let's see here. Oh, these are there's earrings. Okay, so we have, oh, these are, that's right. Oh my gosh, I am so pumped about these. These are ear jackets. So you're getting pieces, and like some people will open it up and be like, oh, what's going on? So this is just, let me show you. So you have this stud, see that little stud? And then you have this piece that looks like a half of a flower. So you take this, so you'd hold this here or behind. I think you can do either. I don't know what you're supposed to do though. Obviously I think you're supposed to go behind though, because that's gives it the design element. So you put it through there, and then you put your clasp or your backing or whatever you call it. I think backing's the appropriate word. Oh, if I can get it with my fingernails. All right. And then ta-da! How pretty. I love that. My 11-year-old is upstairs bossing everyone around right now. All right, so there is that. Those are super pretty, and I love that all those pieces work together so wonderfully. I think it's awesome. So for $19.99, you get the earrings, you get the bracelet, and you get, oh, that's right, I'm wearing it, the necklace. So let me know what you guys think of this box down below. I love when you guys comment and interact. And then I will link down below to Jewlybox and to my full review where you can check that out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!